Have you always dreamt of building your own community? Do you enjoy meeting like-minded photographers and growing together by supporting each other? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. Aftershoot's Create Together Fund is here to help bring photographers together and create something bigger than just photos. I'm super proud to say that during our last cohort, we've supported 27 incredible events, bringing together 600 photographers to learn, collaborate, and grow. And now we're back, bigger, better, and ready for more.
I was so excited to apply and bring my vision to life.
One of the most rewarding parts of this event was seeing how it transformed the way our members work.
If you're a photographer with a vision for building a meaningful photography community, apply for Cohort 2 today. Ready to make your mark on the photography world? Let's build stronger photography communities together.